To add a Cash App card to Samsung Wallet, you will first need to ensure that your device is compatible with Samsung Wallet and that you have the latest software updates installed. Start by opening the Samsung Wallet app on your device. If you do not have it, you can download it from the Galaxy Store or Google Play Store. Once you have opened the app, tap on the plus sign in the top right corner to start the process of adding a new card. Next, select the type of card you want to add. In this case, a credit or debit card, and then tap on Continue. You will then be prompted to scan your card using the camera on your device. Or you can choose to enter the card details manually. If you choose to scan your card, place the card on a flat surface and align it within the frame on your screen. The app will then automatically detect the card details. Alternatively, if you choose to enter the card details manually, you will need to enter the card number, expiration date, and security code. Once you have entered the card details, you will need to verify your identity by following the prompts on the screen. This may involve logging into your Cash App account or receiving a verification code via SMS or email. After verifying your identity, you will be asked to agree to the terms and conditions of adding a card to Samsung Wallet. Once you have agreed, the card will be added to your Samsung Wallet. To confirm that the card has been added successfully, go back to the main screen of the Samsung Wallet app, and you should see your Cash App card listed. You can now use your Cash App card to make payments using your Samsung device. It is also important to note that you can add multiple cards to Samsung Wallet, and you can also set a default card for payments. Additionally, you can remove a card from Samsung Wallet at any time by going to the card details page and tapping on the Remove Card option. By following these steps, you can easily add your Cash App card to Samsung Wallet and start making payments using your device.